Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get your Discord token in 2024. Before we begin, it's important to note that you should never share your Discord token with anyone. Your Discord token is like a password and no one, including Discord staff, will ever ask for it. If someone does, they might be trying to access your account, so be careful. Now, let's get started. First, open Discord on your browser. Once you're on the Discord page, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Scroll down to More Tools and select Developer Tools. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard to open it directly. You will see a panel open on the side of your screen. Now, click on the Application tab at the top of this panel. On the left-hand side, under the Storage section, click on Local Storage and then select https://discord.com from the drop-down. Next, inside the local storage, you'll see a lot of data. To find your Discord token, look for the search bar within the application panel. In that search bar, type token and press enter. Now click on the device toolbar option on the top left corner. Your token will appear in the list. At this point, you'll be able to see your token. Just copy it by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy. Remember, keep it secure and don't share it with anyone. And that's how you get your Discord token in 2024. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.